quad jump starter, no battery, she still runs. Obviously there's a low fuel light, we need to get fuel, but she runs. How is it still running?
Alright, so I just wanted to give a bit of a background. So we bought this car off our auction in my local area for 140 bucks out the door. So pretty much when we brought it home, it was a non-runner. It had no key, so we broke the window, got it working, and it ran. But yeah, and we replaced the window, but we didn't know that it actually had a ticking engine. But that's why we decided to turn it into a rally car, which we are doing right now.
Obviously we can't have lights or anything. Tom, what do you think of her?
Alright, I'll tell you what, it's an absolute reek.
$140. Push the X out of there because currently the battery is really dead, so it's not going to charge for, so I have it over there charging. So here we have the 1.5 litre 4-cylinder. Just show you the oil. Yeah, oil is a bit how you do. Jeez, need to wipe that up. It does have a slight lifter tap, but yeah, the oil needs changing. It's a beater with a heater. Pulling is beautiful green. I mean beautiful, just beautiful. Timing belt said was done at 185,000. It's currently got 203,000 kilometers. Just remove that out of the way. Okay, tires need air on them. It's a 5-speed manual in case you are wondering. Go, here's the interior. Never really shown this car much. There we go, 203,111. Okay, radio's over there. This is my special key. And there's the ignition. Don't ask why. 5-speed manual. Clutch is, yeah, it's there. See. So currently what my assistant is doing. Was that not in gear? Oh, suppose it doesn't matter. Crank window, so you know the windows are gonna work. Ish. What my assistant is doing is we're currently stripping out. Jeez. There we go. Currently stripping out the interior because this is getting turned into a rally car. There's all the parts. And here we have our... Tom, where'd you put the key for the Hilux? Oh, it's in there. Alright. Here we have a 1992 Toyota Hilux utility that we bought for $500. Now, there's a specific video coming up for this. I am so happy how this turned out. Look, we bought a new bumper. She's registered. Look how nice it came out. Polished up. Bought some after different wheels, you know. Did the whole shenanigans. Alrighty, so got the Excel finally running. This is the old battery that came with the car. I trying to resurrect it by using the alternator to keep it running. We got all the parts out. My good friend Tommy. Alright. So pretty much we got all the parts out, ready for the motor corner. Gotta listen to the exhaust, no? Sounds nice and mean. Perfect for the motor corner. what he's been doing is all the interior. I've been doing the mechanical side of it, making sure that this car's mechanically good. It's got coolant. Just a bit of a tapping now. That tapping occasionally goes away. I got the battery there. All these parts will be going for sale on Marketplace very soon, except for these 2 seats, but everything else here will be going. Right now I've got a bit of a problem where we can't get the bottom part of the rear seat out, so we need a flathead. Hang on a second, yeah, probably try and pull that out. Don't want to break it, yeah, because we need to sell it. Check all the lights, all these lights work. Check the front. Look at that. Bit of a tapper. What I'm trying to do right now is trying to get the car warmed up, because this car has never warmed up to temperature. See, it's warming up nicely. But I had a check engine light, but now it's gone. There you go. I added a bit of fuel, and I added some fuel injector cleaner. That way the fuel injectors can at least get cleaned. Air conditioning doesn't work, but who needs air conditioning? One thing I did notice when we were checking the brakes is that there it is. A good old solo pants, and behind here there should be a nice Be careful, the brakes aren't good. There's no brakes. Think of it like that.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop him when you did, when you like hit the grass.
Yes, because when I hit the grass, you see how it nearly stopped all the way down the end?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Go for it.
Alrighty, so thank you guys for watching very much for this part 1 of this Hyundai Excel project. I'm really excited. Part 2, we're gonna continue to tear apart the interior. I haven't really recorded much of that, as it's a quick process that we're trying to do, and it's kind of boring. I don't think you guys will like as much. So next up, we're gonna cut the exhaust, put a straight pipe in it. We're gonna add a roll cage, add some nice wheels and tires. We're gonna get rid of that ignition system, add a push button start with the switches. We're also going to add a steering wheel. We're going to make it rally ready for episode 3. Okay, so hopefully you like episode 2. Episode 1 is just an introduction to it. Basically, just showing you guys it so far. Didn't really do much for introduction, just showing you guys all the clips that I've recorded so far. But episode 2, I'm going to go more in depth. We're also going to change the oil in episode 2. because the oil is absolute dirty. I also chucked in some fuel injector cleaner, as you heard in throughout the episode. So yeah, hopefully you guys really enjoy the video. Episode 2, I got my father and my mate working with me on this project, which is gonna be exciting. Ready for the Motorcana, which is gonna be really exciting, and I can't wait to bring some content for you guys in regards to that. Anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I hope you like the little end bit with my dad's turn. He will love that. Anyways, guys, see you next time. Adios.